Ciao, I'm Chiara from Facile Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this quick and warm headband. This project is very easy and quick to do, so it's perfect for the beginners. For this project I use one skein of Molto Bene from Mondial. You can find more information in the description box. And a 10mm hook ergonomics series from Prim. And I will use 2 wooden buttons. Okay, we start to the width of our headband. So first chain 8 or any even number. So now we do one single crochet into the 4th chain from hook. 1, 2, 3 and 4. One single crochet. Now we do one double crochet into the next chain. Then we do one single crochet into the next one. Now we do one double crochet into the next chain, then we complete this row with one single crochet into the last chain. And now we have a total of 6 stitches. So now we start with the double crochet, then we finish with the single crochet. So first chain 3, and remember this counts as your first double crochet, then turn the work. So I work this first stitch. So now we jump to the second, where we do one single crochet, then one double crochet into the next, then one single crochet into the next one, one double crochet into the next, and complete this row with one single crochet as we did before. And we're ready to repeat this last row. So first chain 3, remember this counts as your first double crochet. We start with double crochet, then turn the work, then we do one single crochet into the next stitch, then alternate double crochet, then single crochet until the end of this row. So all we have to do now is to continue to repeat this last row until we will have a total of 34 centimeters or a length about 51 centimeters. Okay, now my rectangle is about 51 centimeters long and 8 centimeters wide. So now we are ready to create the buttonhole. So first chain 1, do not count as a stitch, then turn the work, then we do one single crochet into this first stitch, chain 1, skip the next stitch, then we do one single crochet into the next stitch. Then we do another single crochet into the next stitch, chain 1, skip the next, then do one single crochet into the last stitch. And of course we will insert the 2 wooden buttons into this space. And now we are going to create the nice finish. So first chain 1, do not count as a stitch, then we do one single crochet into this first stitch, one single crochet into chain 1 space of the previous row, one single crochet into the next 2 stitches, then we do one single crochet into the chain 1 space, and we complete the row with one single crochet into the last stitch. And now we are ready to cut the yarn, then weave the tails inside the work using a tapestry needle. So now my rectangle, my headband is about 8 centimeters wide and 54 centimeters long. And now we are ready to sew the wooden button. In this way I will use a simple thread and needle. So now let me show you the finished Headband Molto Bene. Winter headbands are a great crochet project. They are quick and don't take much yarn, usually just one skein. This project is a great gift for yourself, your daughters, as well as for friends and family members. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you create your Headband Molto Bene. I will leave all the links that you need in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notifications. So thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!